Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to share 2 reasons why you might not be able to see who viewed your profile and share 3 possible solutions. So let's launch TikTok and get started. In order to see who has viewed your profile, you would simply click on the eye icon at the top of the screen. However, if you do not have this feature, it might be because of 2 reasons. 1, your TikTok account needs to be updated. This will allow you to get all the new features when they are added to TikTok. Secondly, it might not be available in your region. This is usually a common reason as to why persons might not see some features when they are added. Now, I'll be sharing 3 ways that you could actually go about getting this feature. 1 is by updating your TikTok app. As I said earlier, this allows you to get all the new features when they are added. Secondly, you could join the TikTok beta testing program. When you join this program, you'd be one of the first to get all the new features before they are available to the general public. And finally, you could report the issue to TikTok. So in order to do this, you'd click on the menu icon at the top of the screen and select settings and privacy. After which, you'd want to click on report a problem. Then once that pops up, you'd scroll down to topics where you would want to click on account and profile. Next, you'd click on profile page and select other. Select need more help and simply state the problem you are experiencing. So for example, I'm going to say I can't see who viewed my profile. You could add a screenshot or a video to the report to strengthen it. So once you are satisfied, you click on report and TikTok will get back to you with a response. So that's the end of the tutorial. If you found this video useful or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload videos. Thank you for watching.